This train set is so cute. I love that it comes with 3 different cars and the train. And what I think is really cool about this train set is that they're not just normal cars. Every kid loves construction trucks, and these ones have 3 different ones on it. They have a little crane here, and I love how you can move them around, so the kids like to do that. They have the cement truck, and that one twists, and then this little dump truck here moves up and down. And whenever you do turn on the train and then it's going, they're activated by the wheels, so everything starts moving, which is really fun for the kids. It comes with two little trees and then a little railway platform, which is really cute. These aren't hard to put together at all. You just go ahead and line it up and push it right in, and it connects. And they stay connected, so your little ones, if they're kind of pulling at them, they're not gonna get frustrated with the track coming apart. So they're super cute. They actually magnet too. There's magnets in there. So they connect as soon as the kid kind of brings them together. They go ahead and connect together for them. My kids love this. My kids love trains. I'll go ahead and turn it on for you here. So there's just a little switch in the back on the engine. Just like that. How cute is that? I love how the engine has a light that lights up. There's so many interactive parts with it. So much for them to do. So if you're looking for a cute gift for a child and they love trains, this is an awesome choice. Thanks for watching.